Hi, it's Brittany from the Empurrium. Welcome back to my channel. This is the 2024 vlog number 25. There's only one left after this. I have George and Donut with me. I did not do a ton this last 2 weeks. I did, but what's on the ceiling, dude? Nothing. I don't have a lot of like vlog content. So I have been heavily working on my upcoming pattern, the Gabriella Handbag. I know I've shared it a couple times on my channel and my vlog. So that has been like my main focus. I am teaching it at So Whatever Studio the weekend after this vlog goes up, and if you are someone who can go on a trip on a whim, grab a ticket. We'd love to see you because there are a few seats left. So Lauren and I wrapped up our November monthly per object, and it was the Gaia handbag. Ooh, it looks so good with my shirt. Is a pattern from Knotted Threads Co. All of the materials are from Mormino. It's super cute. And there is a project kit, per object kit, on the Mormino website still, because we will be using the same kit for the December monthly project. We'll be doing the vestibule wallet from Sincerely Jen Patterns, and the kit has the stuff in it for both projects. Donut just knocked a donut turtle off the table. I had a cutting video go up for the Mr. Heckles handbag. That is a Sincerely Jen pattern, and it features the Chalkboard Roses vinyl that is releasing December 1st from Mormino. I will be grabbing some more. I wanted to have the sewing tutorial up, but as I said, the Gabriella handbag has been all I've been doing. Also, I made myself a couple new hoodies. And this color is new, mauve. I'm going to get it added to the website. I don't think I had the white logo on the website yet, so I'm going to put a couple of the colors up with the white logo. Also, shout out to my nail girl, Natalie. I got these like cute little kitties, Christmas kitties. Let me grab the other two hoodies so I can show you real quick as I kick the camera. We do everything professional here. So as I said, I made myself a couple new ones. I made the Lover kitties on a hoodie. And can't remember, I think this one is. These are the DTF transfers from Ninja Transfers. And I have washed my other shirts that I used too. So far so good. And then I made myself a heather black donut cat hoodie. So 3 new ones that I am excited about. And then I just want to refresh your memory of the Gabriella handbags I have already made as testers and show you my new ones. So I think I shared this one before. This was the very first full one I made. And I'm giving this one to Thea. The vinyl was not good. It was just a sample the supplier had sent me. It was still cute. And then I had made this one, which has been hanging in the background of a lot of my videos. It's really cute. Was mostly happy with it, but I changed a couple things. And then I made a non-cat one with shale clay vinyl, and I put woven lining in it. That was fun. It was cute. I do really like this one. This week I made one with the Empurrium pink glitter vinyl from Mormino, and I had some problems with the curved bottoms, excuse me, but I used my donut cat lining inside that everyone in the class is going to get. I would get hiccups while recording. And then with the Ace Glitter vinyls that are dropping for Black Friday from Where We Know, I use the red lipstick vinyl. Is that, yeah, okay. And I love how this one came out. I didn't finish the lining yet, so it's not completely finished. But I used my candy cane thread from Wizardry too, so it's variegated. And then the lining is going to be red. And I cut the zipper overlay with the gold hoops Ace glitter, and then it'll have the candy cane striped zipper tape also. It's so cute. I'm so excited. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. I have started sending the pattern pieces to testers, which is so nerve-wracking. Coming up with a pattern, like having an idea, like great, easy-ish in a way. Everything after that, making it happen, is stressful. Because this pattern, I came up with the idea nearly 2 years ago, based off of a purse my mom had. I looked at it one day and I was like, oh, it'd be really cute to turn into a cat. And I haven't seen a pattern just like it. So there's a lot of like sketching, like when I'd be on a plane, I'd be like, oh, I'm just going to sketch this on my iPad. So I've had the ideas for a long time. And then, like, I really stressed myself out on how I was going to make the flap. And I really, like, it was really important to me that the flap pocket went all the way down. So figuring out how I was going to do that was like a whole mind meld way that I wanted to do it. And then like you go to make the pattern pieces and you kind of like sketch them out on paper and like fine and dandy, and you keep trying until it's how you want it. But then making the pattern pieces digital so that everyone else can buy the pattern and make it at home, it's not easy. So just saying, just keep that in mind when you buy patterns. Like, there's a lot that goes into it, and I'm not done. So I'm really excited to teach it. And some of the people that I would have asked to test it are taking the class, and I'm like, no, I'm not having you guys test it, because I'm really excited. Since this new pattern, the pattern is not out, it's early access for the class. I'm excited to just be like, here's the pieces, we're gonna all cut it together, and then we're gonna make it, and you don't know how we're gonna make it, so I'm gonna teach you, and everyone should kind of be like on pace together. I'm really excited. Also, I saw it here. I can wear my Penguin Larry now, because my daughter knows about the follow. Well, she already knew about the bracelets, but she knows I bought some because they are having an amazing Black Friday sale. So depending on when you watch this, they run sales a lot, but they're running a really good one right now, and my discount code for being an affiliate stacks with it. So right now the bracelets are on sale for $10, and they have these new tracking plushies, and they're on sale for $20. But my discount Meow 20 takes 20% off of that. So I do earn like a little bit of commission, but I wouldn't even care if I didn't. I would tell everyone about them. They're so fun. I love getting, like, I'll get a little notification. It'll be like, Larry's on the move. I'm pretty sure it does say Larry's on the move. But then I like click on it, and it opens up the map, and it tells me like where he's gone. It's so cute. I love it so much, and I love that they give money to the conservation of the animals. So I bought a couple plushies and a lot of bracelets, and I let Thea pick bracelets for a bunch of people. I had a very large order. But I was like, for $8 for a bracelet, I'm not going to get gifts for people. Like, I mean, that's a great price, and I think is a really cool gift. So anyways, check that out. Yeah, I know I recorded another clip, so it'll be after this. Like I said, there wasn't a ton for this vlog. Is it the 25th one? I'm almost positive it's the 25th one because I just checked. It's the 24th one. There's 2 more. Whoops. There'll be one more regular vlog. My friend Tiff is going with me. Like, she lives local here. To me, she's going with me, and she was like, what if you like really vlogged your class? And I was like, well, I always intend to vlog really well, and I don't. So I have kind of told her, because I have the second phone, I was like, all right, it's your job to make sure that this all gets vlogged. Like, we're talking like some driving, some everything. So hopefully the next vlog is kind of like mostly the class, and I'll show you whatever I make too. And then the last vlog of the year, I'll do what I did last year. I'll go back and rewatch all my vlogs, and I'll add up everything I made and everything I did. Whew. And we'll see if I did any of my goals this year, and I'll let you know my goals for next year. Yeah, so we have that to look forward to. But anyways, I'll let you watch the next clip. I hope you have a great day, great weekend, great everything, and bye. I got a big box of goodies from Warmy Now. They are doing something fun for Black Friday. So, if you know of the Ace Glitter vinyls, they are amazing, and they have some limited colors coming, and they also tape these boxes closed really well. I think I got it. All right. It says, Box Ol' Ace, love you. Okay. Ooh, she wrote colors. Okay. Silver Garland. So this is, here, let me see if I can turn this light on too. Maybe it'll help. This is not the same as the disco ball that I do have down here. Okay, so disco ball has like a holographic shimmer to it, and I know you're not going to be able to tell the greatest. The Silver Garland is like straight silver. I really like it. It's really cute. Okay, so Silver Garland. Rose gold ring. Ooh. I see the gold a lot more than the rose gold, but it could be my lighting. It's really pretty. It's like, to me, it's almost like orangey. I like it. Red lipstick. Okay, so this is not Punch Bowl. Ooh, it's pretty. Do I have... I need to order more Punch Bowl. I know I was down to scraps. I don't see it though. Okay, so red lipstick. Here's a darker red glitter. This is copper confetti. Ooh. Kind of reminds me of like cherry cola. I like it. Black microphone. Ooh. It's black with like a silver glitter, like a dark silver glitter. This is blush pink. Oh, this is cute. So it's the glitter is like silver but also with pink in it. It's really cute. And then After Party Black. One of these, I know Lauren told me they only have available for scrap boxes. Okay, so this is black with black and it looks like red glitter specs. So these are so fun. I know most of these are going to be limited colors. So this video is probably going to go up after Black Friday because it's supposed to go up the Saturday after. I think members might get to see it early if I get my stuff together. But yes, definitely whenever you see this video, check and see what is left because the Ace glitters are so fun. Also really love the weight of them. Like it's very drapey, but it's still really sturdy. It is just a little sticky on the machine, but not like a lot of other glitter vinyls. Yeah, I realized I didn't record anything last week, so this will probably be a shorter vlog too. I am about to record my Mr. Heckles tutorial videos, and I am working on my pattern. I've been planning 13 days of Christmas, which will start immediately after this vlog. Oh my gosh. It's fine. Everything is fine. Anyways, look at you in the next clip. Last minute before I finish editing, Brittany. If you caught the saga of the giant corkboard, there's this random board sitting in my, oh, there's the cat. Yeah, it's in my living room right now, right behind me. On the other side is a couch that you can't see because this corkboard is blocking the whole couch. But Mike is gonna cut it down. There is a landing spot in when you go down to the basement where my old office was, and we're just gonna make a giant corkboard wall so Thea can like hang artwork on it. I'm sure she's gonna decorate it with like a million things. I'm still in the market for a regular size corkboard to put right here on my desk so I can put the kids' important like school things on it. But just thought I would update everyone. Hopefully the next vlog includes this on a wall, but cut down.